So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Chef Junie's TV. Today we have another episode of In the Kitchen, where I'll bring you simple and easy recipes to try out on the comfort of your own home. On today's episode, we're going to be cooking off a nice ribeye steak, all right? So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to get this done. For ingredients, we got the ribeye, of course. I like the ribeye because it has a lot of fat and marbling in it. And once you cook that off, that fat is just going to melt into the meat and bring a lot of flavor to it, all right? Of course, we have Chef Junie's all-purpose seasoning that we're going to use today. If you haven't got this already, go ahead and order a bottle of this. Butter, everything's better with butter. We have sprigs of rosemary and sprigs of thyme, and of course garlic, all right? So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do this. But before we get into this video, I need everybody to go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, all right? I promise you it's a lot more good content on my channel. I'm going to bring a lot more good content to the channel. So go ahead and do me a favor and support by hitting that subscribe button, all right? Anyways, let's get into the video. So of course we want our pan nice and hot. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat that while I go ahead and season this up, all right? So what I want to do with this is just hit it with a little bit of oil. Go ahead and rub that oil in there. Hit it with a little seasoning. Get it nice and seasoned. You can't overdo it with this because this don't have a lot of salt in it. So I like to go very generous. Then I like to massage that seasoning into the meat like that. Alright. And we're going to flip it over and do it on the other side too. Alright. Flip. Oil. Seasoning. Make sure you get in there real good. Alright, now that our pan is nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and throw some oil in there. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and put our steak in there, right? We want that nice... Watch when you hear the sizzle. Watch. Just give it a nice little push down so we get a nice sear on that steak, alright? You want to let that sear for a nice couple minutes on there. Get a nice sear on that. Go ahead and take a look. Look at that nice beautiful sear on there. Go ahead and flip it. I'm going to continue to get that sear on the other part. Okay, I like to flip it one more time. Look at that beautiful sear. And then I'll add in my butter. Alright. Add your butter. Come on, butter. Everything's good with butter. And you add your aromatics. Add your garlic. And then from here, all you do is baste. Baste it with that butter. Baste it with that thyme. Baste it with that rosemary. Get that butter and rosemary and garlic and thyme. Just let it go ahead and do what it's going to do, alright? You want to cook this to a nice medium or however you prefer to cook it. This is about ready to come off, alright? So like I said, I like my steaks medium, but however you prefer your steaks is fine. Go ahead and turn this off. Take the steak off and let it rest, alright? That's another important step in this, alright? Let your steak rest. So you want that steak to rest for a few minutes, okay? So now that we gave the steak some time to rest, we're going to go ahead and transfer it over to our little pretty cutting board right here. Garnish with a little thyme and rosemary. And there you have it, everybody. Chef Junie's ribeye steak. All right. All right, let's cut into this and see what we have, okay? A nice, oh, this is a little bit over, but a nice medium well. You see that? Nice medium well. So there you have it, everybody. Chef Junie's ribeye steak. If you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any comments or suggestions or recipes you want me to try, go ahead and leave them down below, all right? And if you try out this recipe, go ahead and send me a picture on my Instagram and let me see how it comes out, okay? Anyways, till next time, you already know. Peace. I'm about to eat this right now.